Hey everybody, this is Joe with GeoVision, here today with an AS Manager access control software demo tutorial. For today's tutorial, I would like to go over how to do an import of users into the AS Manager software. If you have a large organization where maybe you have 100 or 200 or more users where you need to get them enrolled into the access control database, it can be a very painstaking process to individually enter them into the system. So our access control software, AS Manager, does have a very convenient way that you can do a bulk import. And that's what I'd like to go over today. So I am in the AS Manager 6.0 software. And to access this feature, you're going to go up to Personnel and Users. When your menu comes up here, this is the screen where you can do an individual add here with the new sign. But if you look over to the right, you have an import option. And so if you click the drop down, you've got a few different options of how you can import. Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, or a CSV file. There's also the option to choose other types of files. Now, in today's video, I actually already have a file prepared here where it's just a basic file. I've got some employee ID numbers. I'm leaving last name blank in this case, first name, and I've just got some random job titles here. So this is what we will be importing into the system. I already have this made, it's saved onto my desktop and ready to go. So just going back to the AS Manager software, we will click the import and we're going to choose Excel. Now it wants you to choose your file path. So over here on the right, you click your three little dots and you're going to scroll down and look for your file. So right here is the one that I want. I'm going to hit open and then hit OK. And once I do that, you now need to be able to map the fields. So one thing that you'll want to do to your Excel file is you'll want to prepare the header columns. So you'll want to know like where you're mapping to and from according to AS Manager. Okay, so first name, last name, those are going to be some of the most basic details that you want. But basically right here, you're going to click a drop down and you're going to see those header columns from your Excel file. So I went ahead and just chose first name for my first name column here. I chose last. And then the other piece of data that I would like from that document would be the employee ID. So I titled all of those headers with those fields, those names there, and just choose those on the drop down. Now you can see there's a lot of other columns here. You can import a ton of different information, but it will appear blank at first, and then you just click the drop down and you select the one that you want to apply. Once you have all this finished, you're just going to go ahead and hit import, and it'll take just a second here. And now you'll see that we have a total import of 55 users. All of our users are here and imported, and that took about 2 minutes to do. This has been a quick demo tutorial on how to import users into the AS Manager software. For further information on our product line, please check us out at www.geovision.com.tw/US. Thanks a lot for watching.